don't know how to dance with the lean. I made the ghetto bitch put the hands on their knees. I made the ghetto bitch.
Do my little fishing. You already know what we on, man. Beautiful day. So yo, check this shit out. Fast time fishing, okay? I was right there. I said, let's go fishing, man. I'm going fishing right now. Got in the car, drove all the way to the lake. I was excited, you know, playing all the jams and everything. Might as well. Got to the lake. I seen this kid's fishing. It's like, okay, I'm motivated, you know? Why not? Got myself in there, put my hook in there, swing that hook, and the rod came off. And it was crazy. Look, I didn't even notice that. I was just standing, just hoping. And somebody just yelled it out to me. Look, right there, yup, the rod came off. I had to reset, got back, and then, you know, put a lot of worms on there, threw the hook back in. And the fish, they were feeding on my worms, okay? They would feed on the whole worms. I wouldn't even know what's going on, you know, because it's my first time. I don't really know what it feels like if a hook, you know, I don't really know what's going on. This fish, they're smart as hell. They were feeding on the worms, and I would, you know, reel my thing back in just to find out there's no worm on the hook. I'm like, yo, what happened? I'll be asking them around. They're like, the fish ate all your worms. I'm like, no way. But, you know, with time, I was paying attention and everything. I thought that was funny, but gave them free food. Smart ass. They're like, we got this guy. Damn ass. He's a fast time fishing. But yeah, man, I ended up, you know, doing good. Busting down some, you know, some fish. It is one thing I learned from fishing. I'd say that patience is everything. You just gotta be patient, man. And that's what it is. The fishes will come to you.
The boat that's passing by, I feel like it scares the fish away. I'm not pro at fishing, y'all. I'm not pro at fishing. Ever since I started doing my fishing lessons and everything, I only had one fish, and that's it. This is one fish, and that's basically it. Let's do some. Now you just keep believing, right? Just keep believing. Shit, the homies just got one.
You just gotta have faith in whatever you're doing, man. You ain't gotta be just fishing. Whatever you're doing, you just gotta have faith, believe.
Now we wait.
Eat all that. It's a big lake out here. Look, we got some other people fishing on the other side. Show the camera. Get some other people fishing on the other side. So we got folks that really got it. They're on the boat. That's what we could do right now. Live your life, man. Live your life, man. Hell yeah. There we are, man. What we got right here? This big boy. Chill. See how big it is? Oh man. It look like Charlie. Oh. Yeah, what's the word, man? Look. Yeah, man. Look. It feels good. I ain't gonna hold you, but it feels real good. We got 3 right now. Got live dates in this bitch, y'all. Look. Got live dates in this bitch. Yeah. Got live dates in there. Just a little some Nike shorts, back case, and then just a long hand shirt and the shades. That's what it is, man. Simple fit for fishing, man. Top to bottom, y'all already know. Type shit. We Gypsy too up here doing this thing. Shout out to everybody, man. Fishing was great. Had a lot of fish. Stay tuned. Like the video and then share the video, whatever you're gonna do with it, man. All love, man. Thanks for the support. It's beautiful out here. Be back home with it. Look, I told you 5. This is the biggest one. That's the biggest one that I had right now. And then we got the big boy in this bit. I don't know how to kill him yet, so he's chilling in this bitch for a little bit. It's still cold. We'll figure it out. So there, fresh fish ready to massacre.
Are you ready?
I ain't gonna lie to you, man. Let's see how this cook. Oh, gotta cook this bluegill we got from the lake. This is my first time going fishing and having to cook the fish. So let's see how it goes, man. That's the process. Ooh, I feel the poke. I put it in the fridge a little bit, you know, nice thing. Gotta.
Get a bitch with the hands on their knees. Get a bitch with the hands on their knees.
That's what we got now so far. Well, I dip everything in the sauce, the fish. And now here we are. I don't know. That's my first one to try. Just in case it don't go well, I'll probably try a different method. I'm not trying to use the same method for everything. And I have oil right here, but I'm not trying to fry it in that oil because I'm using that for different cooking. So I'll just use the air fryer. Let's see how it goes with the air fryer, y'all. Air frying bluegill. Fresh on the spot with it. Fast time. You know what I mean? I ain't never done this before. Let's see, I'll tell you how it tastes, man. Okay, so here we are, laid it down perfectly. We do right side, air fry, temperature, set it out to 350. 350 is good, and then I'll do a side of like 10 minutes on this side and then 10 minutes on the other side. Let's see what's up. What y'all thinking here? Let's do that. Perfect. Okay, so here we go. Got a little bit crispy, juicy. Smells good. Bluegill. Smells good. Now it's time to try. It's all ready. It's time to break this thing right here. Let me break it from the back. Ooh, my God. Look at the inside. Oh my God. Look at the inside. Ooh, look at the inside. A lot of meat. Let me try this joint right here. Let's see what bluegill is about. Okay, that's what I got right here. Oh my God. Oh. See you on the other side. God damn. I'm going fishing. I'm going fishing. I'm gonna hold you, man. I'm going fishing every day. What? Bluegill is, I wish you try this joint. I wish you try this joint. And I got more in there. And I got more. Oh my God. Thank you, Bluegill. I'm not gonna hold you. This is 100% insane. Almost wet there. No way. No way. You know what time it is. I'm going fishing. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll go fishing. I'll bring y'all with me. Make sure we see more. Oh my God. Tap in. Elkanah Lion. All done. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like the video.